When the yarn tail is too short, you can't weave it in the usual way. In this case, many knitters use a crochet hook, which can be slow and tedious. Here is an easier way to do it while still using a tapestry needle. First, insert the empty needle through the stitches, just as you would if the yarn tail were already threaded. Push it through until most of the needle is inside the stitches. With only the eye visible. Now thread the short yarn tail into the needle eye . Pull the needle through, gently holding the stitches so they don't stretch. Once the entire tail is woven in, smooth the fabric so there is no gathering. If a small tip is still showing, trim it with scissors. And that's it. The short yarn tail is now woven in.